2 people died after a passenger train collided with a heavy goods vehicle at a railway crossing in Germany. The accident happened in northern Bavaria. The train was carrying around 50 people when it rammed into the lorry near Freihung, northeast of Nuremberg. German police said the heavy goods vehicle had been transporting a US military vehicle.
Yesterday evening, a heavy goods vehicle came to a standstill on a railway crossing in Freihung. A regional train came and hit the front of it, dragging it for several hundred metres. Both vehicles caught fire. The truck is completely burnt out and the train engine is also burnt out.
Police said the train was travelling at around 62 miles per hour when it crashed into the truck. The Romanian driver of the heavy goods vehicle was pronounced dead at the scene. The train driver, who was at first missing from the wreckage, was also later found dead.